Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about the MTI radars. Here the abbreviation MTI stands for Moving Target Indication. Now the question arises here, what is the function of this MTI? What does this MTI works? Now moving target indication is a mode of operation of a radar to discriminate a target against the clutter. Here the term clutter. What does this term clutter means? Clutter is a term used for unwanted echoes in electronic system, particularly in reference to radars. It describes a variety of techniques used to find moving object like an aircraft and filter out unmoving ones like hills or trees. Commonly, we can say that MTI is a function. Moving target indication is a mode of operation which discriminate between the target and the unwanted echoes and the unmoving object, which help us to detect our particular target easily and discriminate our target with respect to unwanted sound, which is echo signal, and unmoving objects. Clear? Now, as you all are seeing on your screen that there is a block diagram of MTI radar is given. In the block diagram, you all are seeing different blocks are given. First one is the antenna section, where we get the receive the signal, transmit and receive the signal. First block is duplexer. Two mixers are using, mixer 1 and mixer 2. IF amplifier is used. Phase detector, coho. What does this coho stands? Coho means coherent oscillator and stello means stable oscillator. Power amplifier and a pulse modulator. Now come to the working of the MTI radar. How the MTI radar work? In a typical MTI system, the transmitter frequency is the sum of two oscillators, that is stello and the coho. The first is the stello and the second one is the coho. Stello stands for stable oscillator and the coho stands for coherent oscillator. The coho operate at the same frequency as the intermediate frequency. Mixer 1 and mixer 2 are identical and both use mixer 1 and mixer 2. Both are identical and both use the same local oscillator, that is the stello oscillator. The stello is very high stability oscillator used because if the local oscillator frequency will change or vary, then an uncancelled clutter residue can result at the output of the delay line canceller. Now, which might be mistakenly treated as a target. Stello, as we already discussed that the MTI differentiate between the unwanted signals and the target. Stello helps here between the cluttering to discriminate the clutter part and to easily detect the target. If IF stage designed as a matched filter, a phase detector is used to mix the signal received from IF stage and the coho difference of these two signals will be Doppler frequency. That means the IF amplifier Phase detector. Phase detector is used to differentiate between the IF amplifier frequency and the Coho oscillator. Coho means coherent oscillator, and the resultant is Doppler frequency. The output of the phase detector is phase sensitive, and so it gives a phase shift for moving targets that is not constant. Phase detector's output is denoted with FD, which is given to the delay line canceller. Right. If the echo is due to a moving target, then Doppler frequency shift occur due to varying phase. I hope the working of the MTI radar is clear to all of you. Later the topic will be discussed on the next video. Thank you for watching this video.